作太累了，我想去旅游放松一下。去深圳吧，我想去深圳旅游。问谁好呢？有了，我想去深圳旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？10月去深圳旅游最好。为什么？10月的深圳天气不冷也不热。
Hi, welcome to my class. I am Noah. I will be your grammar teacher from this lesson. Are you ready? We are going to learn the first language point here. Let's look at the first sentence. Now, please read after me. 我最喜欢踢足球。我最喜欢踢足球。This sentence means my favorite sport is soccer. Now, please look at the red one. 最 Follow me. 最 The adverb of degree 最 It means being the first among things of same kind or in a certain aspect. For example, 我最喜欢踢足球。In here, 最 means the most. As we all know, there are so many sports in the world compared with playing basketball, badminton, running, and other sports. My favorite sport is playing soccer. So, when you want to express something as your favorite or preferred, you can use this structure. Here, we got 3 pictures. The number of the red emoji represents the degree of like. So, we can see drinking tea is my favorite compared with cola and water. So, you can say 我最喜欢喝茶。我最喜欢喝茶。Now you got it? See you next time!
这是什么运动？一起来看看吧。
你喜欢什么运动？
我最喜欢踢足球。
下午我们一起去踢足球吧。
好啊。
这是什么运动？这是踢足球。